everybody, it's Dan here from Smoke Daddy Inc. And today what we're going to be doing is some chicken thighs and a couple slabs of ribs using some seasonings by our friend Brian Slavin with the Texas Gourmet out of Houston, Texas. And the first one we're going to be featuring here is a Sidewinder searing spice, which has got a good Texas kick to it with a little bit of salt in there. The other one we're going to be featuring is the Sweet Chipotle Season-all. It's got obviously a little bit more sweeter, but a little less salt. So what we're going to do, we're going to do half and half with chicken thighs, and then obviously one seasoning with this one seasoning with the other rib, and then we'll come back and see how it is. But yeah, Brian Slavin is a good guy out of Houston, Texas. We'll have his link at the end of the video. Alright, so we got everything seasoned up here with our Sweet Chipotle and our Sidewinder from the Texas Gourmet. We got the Pellet Pro Vertical Smoker going outside. We're going to be using the Heavy D stick burning heat diffuser to add a little bit more smoke to the meat, and we'll see how it comes out. So we'll meet you back outside. Alright, so we got our Pellet Pro Vertical Smoker here. We got it set to about 275. We got also featuring the Heavy D stick burning heat diffuser, which uses large wood sticks and wood logs to get more extra smoke on that meat. Let's take a look in here. So yeah, man, you can see that smoke rolling out already. We got the thighs in the bottom with our probe, the ribs on the top. So it might be about an hour and a half, 2 hours for the chicken, maybe about roughly 3-4 hours for the ribs. But yeah, we'll let her go, and when you get up to temperature, we'll take them off, and we'll see how they turn out, see how it tastes. So we'll be right back with you. Thanks a lot. All right, so it's been about roughly an hour and a half. Cooked a little faster than I thought. It's at 270, so it's a little bit higher temperature. Ran within 275, within 5 degrees the entire time. So the PID controller did a great job with maintaining that temperature. So let's look inside here. I'll show you the chicken here. That got done sooner, so it's got that nice crispy skin. It's gonna have a nice smoke flavor on there because of the Heavy D stick burning heat diffuser. So we'll dig into that later. Let's check out our ribs here. Had them wrapped up for about a half hour. Last half hour with some butter, and yeah, we're getting nice pullbacks. These are pretty much done. Oh yeah, a little pull back there. Yeah, so we'll let these kind of rest for a little while, absorb that juice back into that meat. Then we'll head on inside. See that. All right, so it's almost eating time. Let's check out these ribs, see how they turned out here. Oh man, we're gonna eat good today, tell you what. Woo-wee. Little smoke ring around the edge there from the Heavy D, a little smoke flavor. This one I believe is the Sweet Chipotle seasonings. Let's try that. Not too much kick, but it's got the right amount of salt and a little bit of that sweetness to it. I really like that, good balance there. So let's try the other one here, which is our Sidewinder. That one's going to be a little more heat to it. Oh yeah, cut nice. Oh yeah. Oh, it's definitely got a little more kick to it, but still, that's really good. I could have a whole quart of this. Well, either way, yeah, so these are from the Texas Gourmet. If you go to www.thetexasgourmet.com, you can check out his rubs. He's got a few different other products on there. Really good guy. I highly suggest checking him out. But with that, thanks for looking. Go start cooking. And if you're interested in the vertical smoker or our Heavy D stick burner, which works on a lot of different pellet grills, go to www.smokedaddyinc.com. With that, thanks for looking. Go start cooking.